In this video, I'll be demonstrating some variations and options that we have in the half kneeling lunge position. To begin, come up into the half kneeling lunge. Now from here, you can tilt your pelvis forward or back. And if you want to stretch the front of your hip, you're going to want to tuck your tail under and then press forward. You'll feel a nice stretch in the front of your hip. And what I usually coach people to do is to feel those stretched muscles, contract them almost as if I'm trying to drag this knee forward underneath me, and use that to pull myself back. And then likewise driving myself forward by squeezing the glute, pressing my knee down into the ground. And then while we're here, if you straighten out this front leg, you can get a nice stretch in the hamstrings, the back side of this hip. You also have the option to work from one to the other. So I get a stretch in the front of this hip, the back of this hip, the back of this leg. Now while I'm here, it can also be helpful to change the rotation of this back hip. So by rotating this way, so this is external rotation of the hip, so this foot will be that way. Then when I come forward into my lunge, I get more of a stretch on the inside of this thigh. And again, I have the option to not just stretch, but to strengthen in this position by coming into this stretched position, squeezing that muscle, pulling my foot and my knee together, and then pulling that back. And I can also stretch or strengthen the outside of this hip by trying to spread the ground apart underneath me in this position. By doing isometrics in these positions, you may find that your range of motion gets larger a lot faster. And what has been one of my favorite positions is to internally rotate this hip. So my foot is going out to the outside. Then I'll get a stretch. If you were wearing jeans, where that coin pocket is, however, it does get really challenging to balance in this position. And then again, I'm trying to tuck my tail under, come forward until I feel that stretch, and then pulling everything together, pushing it apart. I can go back and forth, working isometrically in this position. Pails and rails, if you're familiar with the FRC system. Then use that tension to pull me back and strengthen the muscle through the entire range of motion. Those are just a few options that we have in the half kneeling position. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for your time, your attention, and your energy.